Here we have a 2024 Harris Cruiser 230 Tri-Toon. This does have the center walkthrough with dual helm seat floor plan. Gorgeous navy blue exterior with the black anodized fencing. You have your splash guard down here with your full-length lifting strake. Quick release fender system. This boat does have a manual bimini top. Cup holders and speakers on the transom. Flip up cleats. This boat does have a 150 horsepower Mercury outboard. Transducer. Ski tow. And you do have your stainless steel telescoping transom ladder. That's it for the exterior on the Harris 230 Cruiser Tri-Toon. Now let's check out the inside. All right, onto the interior of the 2024 Harris Cruiser 230 Tri-Toon. As you can see, this does have the center walkthrough with the dual helm seats. You have plenty of storage under each seat. Integrated cup holders, as well as charge ports for your phone. Here's your gauges. This boat also has a JL audio system. And this boat does have a 13 passenger capacity. There's that manual bimini top. You do also have storage under this seat here. Lots of storage for your gear. You have another storage cubby down here, as well as a very large center storage locker. You also have storage under here as well. And that is it for the interior on the 2024 Harris Cruiser 230 Tri-Toon.